Hi there, this is Chris Kellett with MuseGrid. We're going to show you our new Bokeh menu, and it's a great new widget available in the MuseGrid store and available obviously for free for MuseGrid members. So let's take a look at how it works. We have this lovely menu here that's blurred out, as you can see on this image, and then as you roll over the individual buttons you can see that the menu item fades in and moves into place, and it creates this really lovely bokeh effect. So let's jump into Muse and see how we can use this. So first off, we're going to create a background for this widget. So I'm going to use my browser fill here, and I'm in Muse R8 here. This was exactly the same in version 7. So I'm going to add this image, select this image here and put that as a background image, and I'm going to select that to scale to fill, and let's put it in the center there. Oh, let's put it centered top. There we go. Next we want to put the widget on the page. So if we go to our library, I've already installed this, so I downloaded the package, double clicked it or right clicked it and installed it into the into this version of Muse. And we open up the menu here, grab the widget, just drag it onto the page here. Let's close our library down, and we can see straight away we've got a representation of the widget. Let's hit preview and see what that looks like just straight off. So there we can see we have the effect happening here, but we have this underlining on the text here. We want to get rid of that, so that's done in the hyperlinks menu. So let's click into that, and the default style that we've got here, we've got underline on hover, so let's switch all that off. Click OK there. Then we want to change the font as well, so I'm going to change that font to, let's change that to this Lato hairline. Okay, let's take a look at that now, preview that, and we can see that's a lot more in line with what we're wanting, and that underline is gone. Then let's take a look at the settings in this widget. So I'm going to just pull it over here so we can take a look at the settings. Now we have each individual menu item, so we have 6 menu items here with where we want them to go to, the URL for the link here, and then we have the height in between each of those lines and the font itself. So I'm going to change this font down to, let's say, 40 pixels, and we also have then what we want to do with the text. We want to capitalize it, uppercase, lowercase. Let's switch it all to lowercase, and we can also change the color of the background shadow when the menu item is hovered over. So what would we do for a link here? Let's say, for instance, we wanted to create a new page. Let's go into our website here, and we create our new page, and we call this about.html. Okay, and then if we go into the design view here, let's, in that menu item for the about, let's put about.html. And now when we preview this, let's preview that. You can see if we go to about, that's then going to load up our about page. We need to preview in the browser, I think, to see that working in action. If we wanted to cut down the number of items in here, we've got 6 in here, but all we have to do is take out some of the menu items here, and you'll see that when it updates here, the menu has now been reduced in the number of items have been reduced down there. So let's hit that now, take a look, and there we go. So we can change the font style in Muse using the Muse text tool. We change the height, the font size and the height in the widget menu itself, and we can add the links for the different pages that we want it to go to in the effects as well. So that's the Bokeh menu widget. We hope you enjoy using it. We look forward to seeing some of your designs with it, and thanks for watching.